Hey mga Ermits, I'm here with my mom again. So we're gonna be doing translation from Ilocano to English, but I will be the one saying the Ilocano word and she'll be saying the English words.
Oh
Okay?
my God.
Sentence. This is sentence now, okay? First sentence. Dita la cellphone ti ubraam dita.
BJ, you only cell phoning in there.
Cellphoning.
Yes.
That's
You only cell phoning in there.
next. Dita la gilildag ti ubraam, di ka kuma tumakderdiran.
You only ildag there? Why you didn't stand up and wash the dishes?
Where's the wash the dishes over there?
Oh
I
no.
didn't say wash the dishes. Sus Mariusip, rumwar ka manan. Di tala rumrumwar.
You're going out again, BJ? You always out in the house.
Kaya mo tatulpakan ka.